but I'm that's right, small. Okay, I know there's no piggy going on here, but I'll be streaming people later tonight when my friend gets on. If you're watching, get on. Thank you. Just kidding, I'm not gonna be that rude, but yeah, so we're gonna do. So, come here, buddy boy. Get out of your life. No, not with that nudity on. No. Oh, I want to take damage. Oh, he's a fire grenade. Oh shoot. He just killed himself. Congratulations. $10. $10. Watch this. Oh, never mind. I'm joking. Oh my. Well, I did a backwards dab, so that's something, I guess. And if you're on my channel, you see my stream was uploaded like 3 times in a row. Just ignore the ones, just go to the one that has the most views, because some of them will have audio, and yeah, oosh! I'm making sure none of us are getting out of here alive. I'm making sure you ain't getting out of here alive with that C4. Wait for it. Yes, sir. C4 exploded. Oh my goodness. This thing takes your hand off. Watch. Right? No, it doesn't. Oh no. I'm dead, right? There goes my leg. Okay. Nothing to prove, but dancing. Scythe. Oh, I got a medical Fortnite all style here. Oh, nothing. Get away from me, psycho. Oh, she's psycho. But she be falling down the stairs tonight. Wait for it. Oh no. What the heck? Wow, that's trash. Holy crap, that bomb exploded right next to me. Yo, I'm burnt out. Oh, look at me. My skin's all burnt out. Okay, ooh, a part, sorry. A cutlass. Whatever you want to say. No, grenade. Okay, thank you. Well, that wasn't wrong. Haha. No help today, sir. Can you help me down from that fall? Crossbow? Oh my goodness. Goodness. What in the... Okay. Oh, that could die. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Okay. Have to have a right degree angle, a good angle, right there. That did not go far. Oh yeah. Okay. Actually, no, I got some people. I got some kids. And he should have some. Yeah, that should burn. Burn. There's a secret area. Hi. I don't deserve light. Woo! Well, we all didn't live through that. Okay. A mace? Oh my goodness. Spear, alright. Alright, a ninja. Hey! Sorry. Am I though? So, we'll see how that turns out. Okay. Hey, What's up? Okay, you better run away. If I'm dying, I'm going out in history. Oh my goodness. Okay, lost my limbs. Okay, I'm gonna use a crossbow one more time. How do I use this crap? Okay, gotta reload. Okay, granny style. Oh, he don't know how to crossbow. He knows he's screwed. Dang it. Oh, shoot, I missed. He knows he doesn't know. He knows he's screwed. He catch on fire? No. Holy! No, can't move because I'm loading. You? Tip crap. What the? No, my arm's like probably on my freaking chest. Okay, that crossbow's trash. Probably something with the bow and arrow. Okay, dual pickaxes. Hatchets. She's AFK. I'm having fun with her. Alright, now we just save from safe distance and watch the fun. We're gonna lose now. Hey, girl! Watch out! Wait! Wait! Oh my god, that is not her. She had no head, no legs, and was missing an arm. I almost feel bad. Oh wait, no, I'm never gonna feel bad. Okay. Goodbye! Burn! Burn! Oh, you're low. Yeah, sure, burn. That was so glowing! Let's get my color fade out. Cool. Okay, yeah, I deserve that. But, yeah, I blew her up hard. Okay, I'm gonna go for Gladys. Wait, no. Yeah, Gladys, whatever. Bear trap. Oh my god, I got Rona. Okay, guys, so we are that voice crack, holy. Not the SH word, holy crap. Long shot. That was terrible. That tells everyone. This is not going coming. What in the? What? Oh my god, I have me too. Brother. And we gotta move. Oh, it's gotta hurt. Oh, that's an arm. Okay. Alright. This is a scythe, right? Scythe. Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, I love me choking. Okay, I went for another high-tech long shot, so project the angle. Wait, I'm not even freaking. Yeet! That was terrible. That was absolutely terrible. Where's my scythe? Learn lesson ones. Learn lesson twice. Sir. Sir. I'm gonna need you to stay with me, sir. Okay, I'm gonna put a C4 right here. Yo! Oh my god, I gotta have any limbs. And my body's gonna explode. Put the C4. There it goes. You can hear the explosion. Pitchfork, trident, whatever. We're not talking about here. Looks like a dirty trident. What's that? I'm gonna call it whatever. What did I say? I forgot. Pitchfork. Oh, you having fun with the trampoline? Yeah. Yeet. Oh, I forgot. It explodes on impact. Well, this won't. No way. Oh. You moved. Okay. I'm gonna put some C4 here. And, alright. Set that down. This guy likes targeting me. And when it's time, I'm just running by it, you know, because I want to get that full on ragdoll. I want to me. Okay, that'll work. This is a lifeless body. Oh my gosh, that's tough. Okay, the link will be in the description for the game always. Set it quick. 4. Push for it. Perfect. What? Owie, leave me alone. Owie. Okay, that's not, thank goodness. Oh, wildfire. Hit it. That's a head. Probably not. Oh, blew that kid away. I'm in trouble now. Pennywise? Go in the hole? Hey, don't punch me. Oh, there's my leg right there. On fire. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Halberd. Okay, I'm always going to C4 down where a fight's going on. Yeah. Grab him, Scub. He knows. It's not gonna explode right now. So never mind, it will explode. Okay, yeah, well, lesson learned. Don't go by C4 when you plant it after a few seconds. Lesson learned. Where's the good sword at? Where's it at? I like this. Hey, you need the same sword? Hey, yo, now we can't be enemies. They did not come back from that. Hello? What you mean? I gotta get a truce on with these kids. Okay. Okay. Grenade, my guy. What the? No, get up. Yoli. Bubble. So, loser. Impact. Burn. What in the name? Okay, so that's gonna be for today's video. Not today's. Okay, so I am gonna be streaming later tonight. Make sure not to miss that, and I will see you all in the next one. See y'all later. I'm gonna just explode that kid before I leave. I'm sorry. Okay, I said I was sorry. Team! Okay, now I'm sorry. Dang it. Okay, whatever. I'll see you all. Peace.